But you know, one thing I'm going to make clear to everyone. We have not insisted on recording and live streaming. Yes. The thing is, you have my personal number. Last year, when you came to see me, we had personal contact. There was an issue for some you could have contacted me. I've not had single contact from you.
I know I had from you.
Yeah, but I didn't know about any issues.
You
Meaning
did not
that
know about the
initially, no, until you start repeating one another.
Okay.
Yes.
When did you come to
The
know?
thing is that you haven't contacted me at all over a year.
So you're running live at the moment, yes, Shaykh is running live, by the way.
You're live streaming.
He is live streaming at the moment.
Yes.
On what platform is it on YouTube? Yeah?
YouTube.
Live
So
stream.
what's your intention of live streaming? Because you're a person claiming to want unity among Sunnis, claiming you want unity, but for over a year, don't worry about me sitting on that, saying